Hey guys, Dr. Berg here. In this video, I want to talk about popcorn, okay? Now, a lot of people love popcorn. In fact, I love popcorn. In fact, I used to work at a theater making the popcorn. That was last year. No, I'm just kidding. That was like probably 35 years ago. But anyway, 95% of popcorn is GMO. So that's one of the problems with popcorn. Popcorn is highly glycemic. It turns into sugar pretty fast. It's not good if you want to lose weight. But the microwave popcorn is the worst because it has a chemical in the butter flavoring called diacetyl. And it's been linked to a lot of bad problems. I'll put a link down below. So you want to avoid microwave popcorn, okay? Now, some of you are very, very upset that I'm talking about these things, and you're not going to give up popcorn. So for those of you that want to do popcorn on a infrequent basis, I want to give you an alternative, especially if you're not trying to lose weight. Just don't do this as frequent as maybe you were doing the regular popcorn. But you can take another grain called sorghum, okay? You can get this anywhere. You get online, and you can pop it just like popcorn. Sorghum is gluten-free, non-GMO. It has the lowest glycemic index of all the grains, okay? But you can just cook it yourself, cook it in coconut oil, and use grass-fed butter, okay, and sea salt. The butter will buffer some of the glycemic index, but it's a lot better than corn as far as turning into sugar. So that's just a quick tip. But again, I'm not telling everyone can start consuming a lot of popcorn, because I'm going to get some emails saying, now I'm not losing weight because I'm eating this every single day. It's just your alternative every so often. All right? Thanks for watching.